Are you tired of seeing smudges and dust taking over your laptop or tablet? Meet the OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner, a game-changing tool designed to keep your devices spotless and looking brand new. This compact, double-sided tool is perfect for cleaning laptops, tablets, and smartphones. With a soft brush on one side and a microfiber pad on the other, it's a versatile and effective cleaning solution. The microfiber pad effortlessly removes fingerprints and smudges from screens and surfaces, giving your device a crystal-clear look. Meanwhile, the soft brush sweeps away dirt and dust, ensuring even the tiniest particles are eliminated. Plus, its retractable brush and storage cover keep the cleaner protected and ready for use at all times. No more scratches or mishaps when it's not in use. What makes the OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner stand out is its ergonomic design and ease of use. It's small enough to carry in your bag, so you can keep your devices clean on the go. Whether you're working at home or at the office, this tool is an absolute must-have for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Ready to take your device cleaning to the next level? Click the link in the video description to grab your OXO Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner on Amazon today. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with a fellow tech lover. Hit that subscribe button for more top-quality product reviews. Keep your gadgets clean and shining. Until next time.